Hi friends, welcome to Leela Kids channel. In this video we are going to see about 10th standard science unit 14 part 3 additional questions and PTA government questions, short answers and long answer question and answers. Give short answer. List out the factors affecting transpiration of external list out the factors affecting transpiration. External factors are temperature, light, humidity and wind speed. Internal factors are number and distribution of stomata, percentage of open stomata, water stress, etc. Please like, share and subscribe Leela Kids channel. Many of you have started watching this channel, but please subscribe and share the video. Define guttation. When the climate is humid and when there is excess of water in the soil, water droplets as dew drops are seen on the leaves of grass in the early morning. It takes place through specialized cells called hydatodes. Differentiate diffusion and osmosis. Diffusion is solid, liquid and gas molecules take place. Only liquid molecules take place. The movement of the solid, liquid and gaseous molecules form a region of higher concentration to the lower concentration, and in osmosis, water molecules from the region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. This is passive process and this is passive process. Define pulse. When the heart beats, the blood is forced into the arteries. The expansion of artery every time the blood is forced into it is called pulse. Normal pulse ranges from 70 to 90 per minute. What is meant by open type of blood circulation? In this type, the blood is pumped by heart into blood vessels that opens into blood spaces called sinuses. These sinuses are called hemocele. Capillary system is absent. What is meant by closed type of blood circulation? The blood flows in a complete circuit around the body through specific blood vessels, the arteries, veins, capillaries. Example, vertebrates. What is meant by blood pressure? Blood pressure is the force exerted during the flow of blood against the lateral walls of arteries. Differentiate between blood and lymph. Blood is red in color. Lymph contains plasma and WBC with less nutrients and oxygen than blood. Blood contains plasma, RBC, WBC and platelets. Lymph is colorless. Blood flows through veins, capillaries and arteries. Lymph is formed in the space between cells and blood capillaries and flows through lymphatic capillaries. Please like, share and subscribe Leela Kids channel. What is meant by coronary circulation? The supply of blood to the heart muscles is called as coronary circulation. Example, coronary artery and coronary vein. இந்த வீடியோவை again and again போட்டு பாருங்க. ஆன்சர்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு மெமரைஸ் ஆகும். எக்ஸாமில் ஃப்ளோ ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். உங்களுக்கு பெனிஃபிட்டாக இருக்கும் இந்த வீடியோவை again and again பார்க்கறதில்ல. All the best for your public examination. What are the functions of lymph? Supplies nutrients and oxygen to those parts where blood cannot reach. Lymphocytes in the lymph defend the body from infection. Long answer question. Explain the various types of transport in plants. The transport of materials in and out of cells occur by passive and active methods. Passive transport. In passive transport, there is no use of energy. It occurs by various types of diffusion. Diffusion, the movement of liquid and solid molecules from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. Osmosis, it is exactly like diffusion, only with liquid molecules through a semi-permeable membrane. Plasmolysis, exosmosis, the water moves out of the cell, resulting in shrinkage of cell membrane from cell wall. Imbibition, here a solid absorbs water and gets swelled up. Example, absorption of water by seeds of dry grapes. Active transport. When transport of molecules occur against concentration gradient, it is carried out by membrane-bound proteins with the use of energy. Write a note on ascent of sap. The upward movement of water and minerals from roots to different plant pods is called ascent of sap. A number of factors plays a role in ascent of sap, and it takes place in following steps. Refer ascent of sap diagram in your book. Root pressure. Water from soil enters the root hairs due to osmosis. Root pressure is responsible for movement of water up to the base of the stem. Capillary action. Water or any liquid rises in a capillary tube because of physical forces. This phenomenon is called capillary action. In the same way, in stem, water rises up to certain height because of capillary action. Adhesion, cohesion of water molecules. Water molecules form a continuous column in the xylem because of force of adhesion and cohesion among the molecules. Cohesion, the force of attraction between molecules of water, is called cohesion. Adhesion, the force of attraction between molecules of different substances. Water molecules stick to a xylem because of force of adhesion. Describe the demonstration of osmosis. Refer diagram in your book. A thistle funnel whose mouth is covered with a semi-permeable membrane is filled with sucrose solution. It is kept inverted in a beaker containing water. The water will diffuse across the membrane due to osmosis and raise the level of the solution in the funnel. Differentiate the neurogenic heart from myogenic heart. Neurogenic heart. Myogenic heart. Neurogenic heart. Heartbeat is initiated by a nerve impulse. Heartbeat is initiated by muscle tissue, Ascent. Initiated by nerve ganglion situated near the heart. Example, annelids. Initiated by specialized tissue known as sinoatrial node. Example, mollusca and vertebrates. Write the components of blood and explain RBC. Components of blood. The blood consists of two main components, the fluid plasma and the formed element blood cells, which are found suspended in the plasma. Plasma, it is slightly alkaline containing non-cellular substance which constitutes about 55% of the blood. Organic substances like proteins, glucose, urea, enzymes, hormones, vitamins and minerals are present in the plasma. Formed elements of blood. Please like, share and subscribe Leela Kids channel. Blood corpuscles are of three types. Red blood corpuscles RBC and erythrocytes. White blood corpuscles WBC or leukocytes. Blood platelets or thrombocytes. Red blood corpuscles erythrocytes. They are the most abundant cells in the human body. They are formed in the bone marrow. They impact red color to the blood due to presence of respiratory pigment hemoglobin. Matured mammalian RBC do not have cell organelles and nucleus. They are biconcave and disc-shaped. Their lifespan is about 120 days. RBC is involved in the transport of oxygen from lungs to tissues. WBC leukocytes. WBC are colorless. They do not have hemoglobin and are nucleated cells. It is found in the bone marrow, spleen, thymus and lymph nodes. They are capable of amoeboid movement. Blood platelets or thrombocytes. They are small and colorless. They do not have nucleus. There are about 250,000 to 4 lakhs platelets. Lifespan of platelets is 8 to 10 days. They play an important role in clotting of blood. Platelets form clot at the site of injury and prevent blood loss. How is conduction of heartbeat taking place? The heartbeat is myogenic in nature. Concentration is initiated by sinoatrial node which acts as a pacemaker. It is situated in the wall of the right atrium. The impulse form Ascent and reach the atrioventricular node spreading to the ventricular muscle through atrioventricular bundle and the Purkinje fibers. Tabulate the distribution of antigen and antibody in different blood groups. Blood group antigen on RBC, antibodies in plasma can donate to, can receive to. Blood group is A, antigen A, anti-B, A and B, A and O. B, antigen B, anti-A, B and AB, B and O. Blood group AB, antigen A, no, and can donate to AB, can receive from AB, AB and O. Antigen A and AB, no antibody. A, B, AB and O, universal recipient. O is no antigen, both antibodies A and B, AB, A, B, AB and O, universal donor, can receive from O. Give an account of the importance of stethoscope and sphygmomanometer. Stethoscope is used to detect the sound produced by the internal organs of human body. It is useful in identifying and diagnosing diseases. And the other sphygmomanometer is used to measure blood pressure and the low and high blood pressure. It helps to estimate the state of blood circulation and the working of the heart. There are monometric and digital types of apparatus used to measure blood pressure. So இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குனாக்கா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, again and again போட்டு பாருங்க, ஆன்சர்ஸ் மெமரைஸ் ஆகும், ஃப்ளோ ஈஸியாக இருக்கும் எக்ஸாமில். ஆல் த பெஸ்ட் ஃபார் யுவர் பப்ளிக் எக்ஸாம். We can meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.